Okie dokie, so let's go straight into the charts. Quite not sure if I'm online. I just can't see myself. Well, okay. Yeah. Alright, let's start off with the DXY. At this stage, we can see it bouncing on 96,900 level. About, yeah, so pretty much here. If you put a fib high to bottom, yeah, we got a nice 61.8. Just quickly going to check, see if you're streaming, because it never showed me that it was online, but alright. So that's the DXY. Alright, Euro USD. At this moment, I am pretty much looking at this zone here, but we can't see a order block. Maybe on the H1 we can. So that can be a nice entry. I'll look at the H4 first. So yeah. Nice breaker structure. Here. So that's Euro USD. This is the DXY I'm looking at. These are some reading glasses that I use for the computers. Great. Brilliant. Let's turn on the lights a bit. But pound USD. So the daily, yeah, 68.6, but that's already been mitigated, which there was a nice little fair value gap. Yes, that's a nice one there, but that's on daily. 1 p.m. we saw a gap. So on the H4 top to bottom, I normally look at the last low, or you could go to the last low too, but still 78.6. Yeah, normally I don't trade pound USD. Yeah, you can see nice market structure. So while you are learning or trading, make sure you mark it up, break a structure. AUD USD. Yeah, today I won't be on the stream for long because I have to go somewhere. And just got some family coming around. A bit important day, but yeah, so this is I can't see a clean order block on a H4, so I don't really like the structure. So these are the charts that I am looking at pretty much. Let's have a look. Okay. can trim it out a bit. Let's have a look. Put this there. Yeah, just have it like that. Oops. Wow. Hold on. I'll put that there. Oops. Wow. Yeah. I need another screen, but for this. But hold on, what was this? What was I doing here? I was doing something. Yeah, leave that. Forget it. All right. So that's AUD. USD. Let's go to USD CAD. This is a great zone. So normally you break a structure. What you can do is when you see a high, down, top. So basically what you see, a high, bottom, high, liquidity has been taken out from here, break a structure. And then you got a break a structure, that's a reversal. So if you see something like this going from here, so down, right, this one, yeah, I should put the break a structure there, which I will after this. And then from there is a retest on the order block. These are my stuff that I have. Market structure shift. Yep, a pin bar right there. But I'm pretty well. You can from anything in the zone. It's fine, but normally 78.6 I do like. From high to bottom. Yeah, so 61.8 is hitting right here. Nice little doji rejection. That is a zone, but it hasn't. This is my alarm right there, marked up. US oil, I use it for correlation. I did take this trade, but normally with the USD CAD that correlates both. USD JPY, not the best, but yeah, so it's something that I don't really like much, but all you can do is just tie top to bottom right there on target. See, it's marked up right on the zone, so when I see something like this, liquidity grab, alright, that's equal lows. Yep. And then Euro JPY, not a pair that I'm quite happy with. It's pretty much this trend line up, which is rising at the moment. Yeah, just bouncing off that. Yeah, you're a nice order block, but probably might bounce from there and go up. USD chef. I was in this trade yesterday, but I just posted on my Twitter. Made about £1. This was too slow. It took like 5 hours just to go here. Like, you know, I can't be bothered with that. It's just too slow. Look, even now, it's not moving anywhere. Euro, this is the pair I'm looking at right now. So I saw that top to bottom. This is like the A plus setup. 78.6. Yeah, you see multiple wick rejections. Breaker structure below. But it might come up, you know, to take liquidity because it does like Asian lows, Asian highs. Right there. Euro AUD. Don't trade this much, but let's have a little drink. Nothing. Well, I had a nice liquidity grab. Ooh, this is a nice zone. I do like this one. Yeah, took liquidity, but nice 78.6. Gold, no. Let's just stay away from this. It's rising, so yeah, just pretty much uptrend. Same as the Nasdaq Mini. Yeah, so these are the sort of news today. Calendar. S&P global. And then we got a Powell speech, Fed. This one I use for correlation really, but no, what was it? Sentiment. Yeah, you can use this, but I just use it for, I just check confluences really, but normally I don't really use it, rely on to trade. You have to have a setup to trade. Once the setup is there, you got all the confluences right there. Then you can just check, Euro CAD, like let's have a look. How many people are short? Yeah, where is this? Euro. Oh, there. Yeah, look, sell. Yeah, there's a lot of people. This is basically what, 95% are short. Wow. I just saw it right now. Looking at some of the news, you can look at this. Forex Factory. Let's have a look at the news, what's going on here. Okay, there's something with the Swedish krona. Yeah, so let's have a look at other sort of pairs. Okay, about 14 minutes into it. Okay, yeah. Watch list. Okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, it's taking a high, it's dropping at the moment. Don't normally trade this one, but I just scan it through. Netflix. I don't really trade Netflix or Tesla, but I just like to mark them up. This pair I don't really trade. The US 100. I don't know anyone that actually trades this. Maybe. No, not US 100. UK 100. But yeah. $60. Well, no, it's missing it really, but. Yeah, so what else was it? I was meant to look at other things, but yes, S&P, where is it? S&P. Oh, that's it. Wow, it is rising at the moment, but yeah. No, nothing. So look at the New Zealand pairs. These are some of the pairs that I do keep, but I don't really trade much of these. Range, we'll leave that. Now this is a trade I did take. This was roughly, I think about here. Yeah, about 100. I cut it off. GJ. No, nothing. Well, that's it. So for today, this is a quick quick sort of session, but I would stay a bit longer, but I have some prior commitments to do today. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned in the next chapter of my live streaming. But let me know what sort of trades you want me to do. But let's just quickly go scan through the charts. Some of them, yeah, this zone here is quite a good zone, so which I do like trading. But yeah, so mostly I trade ICT, but which with Head and Shoulders H4 time frame, and I see a pin bar and I take the entry. But when I see something like liquidity grabs here, well, you could go for this one actually. Yeah, this is like the major high being taken out. Came, break of structure right there. Yep, taken out, high, liquidity grab, flushed out all these retail traders. Come back, retest here. So this is like a nice order block. You know, you could put a OB. So I'll have a look at the zone here. 18400, 18400. Yeah, so that's it really. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned in the next chapter of